8 Naxals were killed in a fierce encounter with Cobra commandos of the Central Reserve Police Force and local police in Bokaro district, Jharkhand. While the clash occurred in the Lalpani area where security forces had launched a targeted operation. Visuals from the site show the aftermath of the encounter, marking a significant success in efforts to combat Naxal insurgency in the region. The operation is part of ongoing initiatives by the authorities to neutralize the Naxal forces and restore peace in affected areas.